sauce, but for now, breathing in, breathing out, to get my thoughts back off the ground, walking down the street, passing the people meet. Anyhow, just for now, I'm realizing what I need, and then you come to my mind. Well, I guess it's kind of sign. Don't take long to realize. I think it's time, so I'll raise my voice, and I am running around looking for you, searching all over town just to be sure. When you're hanging around, see nothing new. Finally asking you out. How do you do? Look around, seeing is fair, looking back now and there in the sand. Take my hand, let's find something for us to share. Making out, touching down, every smile in your face seems to me it brings up thoughts of every second that I wasted without you right by my side. How did I manage just to hide that it feels so very right? But I'm restless, so I raise my face, and I am running around looking for you, searching all over town just to be sure. When you're hanging around, see nothing new. Finally asking you out. How do you do? The only reason, can't you see, that keeps me running down that street is any chance for us to meet. It could be you I'm looking for. I think I've never been so sure. Got you, I never let you go. I am running around looking for you.